The 2026 BMW R18 XIV Edition, a limited edition masterpiece. Speedriders, today we're witnessing automotive artistry on two wheels, the 2026 BMW R18 XIV Edition. This isn't just another cruiser, it's a rolling piece of limited edition craftsmanship that celebrates BMW's richest heritage. Welcome to exclusive motorcycling, only on Speedriders. Heritage honored the significance of 14. The 14 edition pays homage to BMW's 100-year heritage in motorcycle manufacturing, with 14 representing the 14 decades of engineering excellence since the company's founding. This limited-run model celebrates BMW's unwavering commitment to quality, innovation, and timeless design. Each of the 500 units worldwide tells a story of German engineering perfection. Part of the legend, the 1802 cubic centimeters big boxer. At the core of this masterpiece lies BMW's iconic power plant. 1,802 cubic centimeters air/oil-cooled boxer twin, the largest production boxer engine in history. Power delivery 91 horsepower and 116 lb-ft of earth-moving torque. 2026 enhancements refine fueling for smoother low RPM operation. Exclusive tuning, unique exhaust note calibrated for the 14 edition. Signature character, the slow, rhythmic heartbeat that defines the boxer experience. Design philosophy, art on wheels. The 14 edition features breathtaking attention to detail. Hand-painted finishes, unique centennial graphite with gold pinstriping. Premium materials, extensive use of brushed aluminum and hand-stitched leather. Exclusive badging, numbered edition plates and XIV-specific identification. Custom components, unique seat design with integrated embossing. Lighting signature, full LED system with special DRL pattern. Limited edition features uncompromised exclusivity. The 14 edition includes features found nowhere else. Handcrafted leather bags matching saddlebags with quick release system. Custom exhaust system, titanium finish with unique acoustic tuning. Commemorative package includes ownership certificate and custom accessories. Owner experience, exclusive factory delivery and customization consultation. Production limit, strictly limited to 500 units worldwide. Technology and performance, modern classic. The 14 edition balances heritage with modern capability. Multiple riding modes, rain, roll, and rock modes with XIV-specific calibration. Automatic stability control, advanced traction control system. Reverse assist, standard equipment for easy maneuvering. Keyless ride, enhanced convenience features. Connectivity, full smartphone integration with special 14 interface. Chassis and dynamics, commanding presence. The R18 XIV edition maintains its majestic road manners. Double loop frame, classic chassis design with modern engineering. Air suspension, electronically controlled with automatic leveling. Braking system, dual 300mm discs with BMW ABS Pro. Wheel package, exclusive 16-inch cross-spoke wheels. Weight distribution, perfect low center of gravity for stable cruising. The ownership experience, beyond transportation. The 14 edition delivers more than just a riding experience. Pride of ownership, instant recognition as a collector's item. Investment potential, limited production ensures future value. Community access, exclusive owner events and rides. Customization service, bespoke personalization options. Heritage connection, direct link to BMW's storied history. The Speedriders verdict, the ultimate collector's BMW. The 2026 BMW R18 XIV Edition represents the pinnacle of motorcycle collectability. Historical significance, celebrates 140 years of BMW excellence. Craftsmanship, quality, unmatched attention to detail. Exclusive appeal, rare opportunity for discerning collectors. Riding experience, the perfect blend of modern and classic. Emotional impact, more than a motorcycle, it's a legacy. This machine proves that true luxury lies in exclusivity, craftsmanship, and heritage. Outro. Speedriders, Would the R18 XIV Edition be the crown jewel of your collection, or do you prefer more accessible machinery? Hit that like button if you appreciate automotive artistry, and subscribe to Speed Riders for the most exclusive motorcycle content. Let us know in the comments, what number would you want if you could own one of these 500 examples. Keep the passion for exceptional motorcycles alive, and we'll see you in the next episode.